This video I am going to design modern business card. For that we have to take a size in inches, which should be 3.5 and height should be 2 and orientation should be in landscape mode. After that we have to select the bleed as well and then go to advanced mode and select RGB mode from there. And that's it. These are the settings we have to do in this page. And then take a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this, and then select this color for background and then lock this layer by pressing Ctrl plus 2. And after that take a arc shape and draw like this, and then take a copy of this arc shape and put it in different parts of this rectangle like this, another one here, and we have to rotate the arc size as well. And then after that we have to take a ellipse tool for to make a circle, and when you draw the circle don't forget to press a shift as well along with that, and then put it there like this in different part of the rectangle like this. And then this time we are going to take a ellipse tool once again and take a uh, anchor point tool and then just cut it on different parts of anchor point like this, then put it there like this, and we will adjust and change the color later. And then take a star shape and like this put it there, here and everywhere like this, and then take a art ellipse tool again, and this time direct selection tool and click on the lower anchor point and press delete it. And after that take a copy of this half circle and then align it according to the selection, and then take a ellipse tool again and then make a circle. Here is our shape now, another shape, and then we have to do the same process, take a copy of it and put it in different parts of the rectangle like this. And we will change the color of these shapes in last or later you could say. And then take a polygon tool and select three sides, and then it's our triangle, and we have to do the same process here as well like this. We have to make sure that all the parts has been covered by this shape like this, and this is enough now. And this time we will take a ellipse tool and just draw and fill with color like this, and then again like this, and I think you will follow the remaining part. And now I'm going to speed up this video. Now it's time to add the color in these shapes, give colors to these shapes like this is that's why I have take a lot of colors in these boxes, so I can add this color, different colors into these shapes like this. You can follow it again. Now you understand how to add colors. So again I'm going to speed up this video. time to draw a back page of business card. Like this, take a rectangle tool, draw a rectangle tool and lock this rectangle by pressing Ctrl plus 2 and take this, select any color according to your choices from this box. And then what we have to do, we have to select a logo, add a logo in this page. I have already have so many logos, it's for sample or video.